Combine 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, pinch of cumin, pinch of dried oregano. Stir well to combine. Sprinkle the prepared seasoning on both sides of the steaks. Use a large baking sheet or 2 large platters. Add flour to one side and breadcrumbs to the other. Add 2 eggs and a pinch of salt to a large bowl and scramble using a fork or whisk. Working with one steak at a time, lightly coat it on both sides with the flour. Shake off the excess. Next, dip the steak in the egg mixture. Make sure it's evenly moist. Now place the steak in the breadcrumbs and make sure there's an even coating and gently shake off the excess. Add about 1 to 1.5 cups canola oil in a deep skillet. Heat over medium-high heat. Fry one breaded steak for about 2 minutes per side or until golden brown on both sides. And there you have it, breaded steak.